Hey everyone, and welcome back to FinSparrow. Today, we're diving into a powerful secret that separates the wealthy from everyone else. It's not some complicated formula or a lucky break. It's a simple, foundational rule that rich people live by, a rule they never ever break. If you've ever wondered how they seem to consistently grow their wealth year after year, then you need to hear this. The secret is that they never let their money sit idle. That's it. Sounds simple, right? But the application of this rule is what truly builds fortunes. For most people, money comes in, pays the bills. And whatever's left over just sits in a checking or savings account, slowly losing its value to inflation. But for the wealthy, every single dollar has a mission. Every dollar is an employee, and it's expected to work hard. 24/7. They view idle cash as a wasted opportunity, a lazy employee that needs to be put to work immediately. So, what does putting your money to work actually mean? It means your money is actively doing one of three things: generating more money, protecting your existing wealth, or acquiring assets that will appreciate in value. Let's break it down. The most common job for their money is investing. This isn't just about throwing money at the stock market and hoping for the best. It's about strategic allocation. They invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. They understand the power of compound interest, the snowball effect, where your earnings start generating their own earnings. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. By consistently investing, they're not just saving money, they're building a money-making machine that grows exponentially over time. A dollar invested today could be worth $10, $20, or even $100 in the future, all without them lifting another finger. But it's not just about the stock market. The wealthy also put their money to work in real estate. They buy properties that generate rental income, creating a steady, passive cash flow month after month. That rental income isn't just spent. It's often reinvested to buy more properties, creating a cycle of wealth generation. They also invest in real estate for appreciation, buying in up-and-coming areas where property values are expected to rise. Their money isn't just sitting in a bank. It's physically represented by a tangible asset that's working for them. Another crucial job for their money is funding new businesses or ventures. This is where they take on calculated risks to create entirely new income streams. They might invest in a promising startup, launch their own company, or fund a project they believe in. This is entrepreneurial investing. It's about creating value where none existed before. Every successful business you see started as an idea funded by money that was put to work. This active approach to wealth creation is a hallmark of the rich. They don't just wait for opportunities. They use their capital to create them. Now, you might be thinking that's great for them. They have millions to invest. But this rule applies to everyone, no matter how much you have. The principle is the same. Even if you only have an extra $20, $50, or $100, that money can be put to work. You can start by opening a high-yield savings account, where your money earns more interest than a traditional account. You can use micro-investing apps to buy fractional shares of stocks. You can educate yourself by buying a book on financial literacy. The point is to change your mindset. Stop seeing your extra cash as leftovers and start seeing it as your first employee, ready for its assignment. The secret isn't the amount of money you start with. It's the discipline and the consistency of applying this rule. It's about developing the habit of asking, what job can I give this dollar, instead of letting it sit idle. It's about paying yourself first by allocating a portion of your income to investments before you pay your bills. It's a fundamental shift from being a consumer to being an owner and an investor. This is the simple, unbroken rule that builds and sustains wealth. It's not about luck. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Start today. Start small, but start. Give every dollar a job. Thanks for watching. If you want more smart money insights and wealth building tips, make sure to subscribe to FinSparrow. We'll see you in the next video.